Hey everyone, Anthropic finally released Claude Opus 5 and many people want to test it. But there is one problem, most users cannot use it because it has user limits. But what if I told you that I am using Claude Opus 5 for completely free, and in this end of this video you can get it too. If you are new in my channel, so please subscribe our channel because we are now 18 subscribers. Please help me to reach 20 subscribers today. And don't waste your time, let's get started. First of all, open your browser which you are comfortable to use and search for Taxlet AI, and then click on that official link. And don't worry, I will put the website link on my description below. Once the website opens, simply sign up with your Gmail account. So after completing its sign up, you are redirected through its homepage, and you can see that there is $300 credit. You can use those credit for your project, and the best part is all credit are renewed each day. You can see that there are several options to use. You can explore it one by one. You can attach photo or your file. You can see that there is connectors. You can connect your MCP server or your API key or several apps to build anything. And there are lots of options that helps your project. Okay, so now select your model. Simply click on that advanced option and then click on that custom. And you can see OpenAI, Claude and Google model for completely free. You can use those model for your tasks, and as you can see that there are several dollar option. For example, if you choose $1 model, so it takes less credit, and if you choose $3 or $4 model, so it takes more credit. Okay, now select your favorite model. As I choose Claude Fable 5, and let's build a game to check its response. I'll create a complete prompt for this game and paste into it, and let's check it can build or not. Okay, so it's take too much time, so you can skip those portions. So as you can see that it can build a game, but it takes too much credit because I'll choose Claude Fable 5, that most powerful model, and it gives me all that HTML file. You can copy it and paste in your file and open it with your ID, and you can see its preview. So if this video is helped you, please like this video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel, link in the description below or our channel bio, and I will see in the next video.